Hi everyone, welcome to the March 2021 unboxing. Let's get started. When you open the box, you'll first be greeted with the Tidy Tool Caddy pattern. This is this month's project. For the fabric, you'll find 12 inches of the blue sewing machines. This is fabric A. Then you'll find 12 inches of the Measure Twice yellow tossed notions. This is fabric D. Then you'll find 12 inches of the Measure Twice blue drop twins. And last but not least, you'll find 12 inches of the Measure Twice yellow mini dots, and that is fabric C. On the side here, you'll find 110 yards of the Sew All thread in light blue from Gutermann. And then you'll find 12 inches of fusible fleece. Last but not least, if you purchase the extra add-on notion, you'll find that at the bottom here. And this month's add-on notion is the cone thread holder, which is great for holding your threads while you sew. So that's it for the March 2021 unboxing. If you're not already subscribed to Sewers Club, you can do so at sewersclub.com.